The length of this aircraft is 21 meters, the wingspan is 14 meters, and the height is 6 meters. The maximum takeoff weight for this aircraft is projected to be 27,215 kilograms. For the test, it includes a power plant of 2 GE F-110 engines, each capable of producing 120 kilonewtons of thrust. It has a top speed of 2,470 kilometers per hour, a combat range of up to 1,100 kilometers, and a service ceiling of 55,000 feet. The TFX is a Turkish stealth fighter with twin-engine all-weather air superiority fighter and development by Turkish Aerospace Industries TANI and BAE Systems as its subcontractor. The aircraft is planned to replace the F-16 Fighting Falcons of the Turkish Air Force and to be exported to foreign nations. Thai CDO Tamil Kadol stated that the TFs will be unveiled by March 2023 and make its maiden flight by 2025. Turkey's Defense Industry Executive Committee decided to design, develop and manufacture a national next-generation air superiority fighter Turkish Aerospace Industries Tightflex. It has a stealth twin-engine and all-weather air superiority for the fifth generation. The F-16 Fighting Falcons of the Turkish Air Force will be replaced with this aircraft, which will be exported to other countries. The TFX is a fifth-generation fighter that looks a lot like the F-35 Lightning II from Lockheed Martin. Turkey will become one of the few countries having the technology, technical infrastructure, and capabilities to build a fifth-generation or beyond fighter plane. The development of the KFX began in 2011 and was accelerated by the government in the mid-2010s when Turkey was dropped from the US-led At-35 program due to purchasing the Russians' 300 air defense system. The KFX is expected to be a fifth-generation fighter jet with many of its features broadly similar to the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. The TFX is a twin-engine multi-role aircraft design project primarily designed for air-to-air missions, but it can also be employed for air-to-ground missions. The aircraft will provide air dominance through precise and accurate strike capability at high speed, high performance of radar, electronic warfare, electro-optic communication and navigation, and air superiority with the support of AI and multi-sensor data fusion. TFX has upgraded versions of Aselsan's own radar warning receiver, laser warning system, chaff and flare management that would most likely be used on the aircraft. It has a dispensing system as well as a digital radio frequency memory-based jamming system, both of which have been employed on other air platforms. It can carry a wide range of weapons. It has indigenously developed dock-type missiles and imported MBD, Meteor air-to-air missiles. It also has air-to-surface missiles such as the ESO and cruise missile and the indigenously developed Kuskin TJ-8 air-to-surface missile, as well as anti-radiation missiles, anti-ship air-to-surface cruise missiles, and the MDA Spear 3, as well as many other weapons to be added to the TFX aircraft. Thank you for watching video. Please like, comment and share video.